Hello everyone. So what I'm going to have a go at today is the phone box question from the Graphic Solutions book. What I'll do is now I'll just tune in this camera here so that it's as good as I can get it and knock it there. So it's the phone box question. It's on page 17 of the Discover Graphics book. We're just going to have a go at it because some people had a bit of trouble with it last day. So it's this one here we're heading for. So I've my page lined out, everything ready to go here. And what I'm going to do is come down with a 2H pencil now. We'll be operating with a 2H pencil for a while here. I'll come down about 20 from the top of the page. Say 20. And I'll draw a light line across there. Very light now. All these construction lines are going to be very light to start with. So the drawing says 205 long by 5, so 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. 5 is 80, 5 is 85, so 85 is the overall width. So what I'll do is I'll just draw a rectangle that the whole lot will fit into first. 205 by 85. So I come down 205 here from that light line that I drew. Now the thing is, you can see 205 here where I am, so I'm just going to move this a little bit. So you will be able to see it now. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to come out a certain distance here as well, about say 100. Doesn't really matter that much. And I'm going to drop a line then 205 from there. Holding my T-square against the side of the drawing board now, and I'm going to drop it down as far as that. These are going to be light lines. Now I need to come across 85, so I'm just going to come off across any length there. Doesn't really matter that much. It's not critical. And I'm going to mark it then at 85. Bring back up the page then. Back up to the light line that I drew across the page, pointing it down to the top. Those are off then there. Next of all then, I'm going to start measuring out these here. 15, 20, 15 and so forth, the whole way down on this vertical, on the y-axis here. This vertical line. I'm going to take all the measurements first. So I'm going to take them here now. 15, 20, 15. So 15, then 10, 20. So and then 15 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 20s then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 20s. Into 170. Then 35 should finish off. So 10, 20, 35, yeah. That's the end of that. So what I'm going to do is now just bring those across the page very lightly. Hold the pencil very, very lightly, because I can have all these in after. And you'll see then after what I'm going to do with a slightly different pencil. So I'm just dropping these across here now. If they overshoot the line on the left, it's okay as well. I wouldn't worry too much about that, because we're having in the whole lot after anyway. So these are on construction lines. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get drop my vertical lines. So those are the horizontal lines completed there. Now I'm going to drop my vertical lines. So it's I'm going to come over 5 here first, so I can see what I'm doing down here. Let's move this a little bit. I'm going to start on the bottom here now. Print 5. Print 5. Then from there I'm going to print 15, so it'll bring it to 20. 15. 15. 15. 10, 15. And then you're at 5 then. You know, last bit there. I'm going to bring those up the page. We can show my T-squares against the side of the page again, or against the side of the drawing board. Everything's dead tight. 60 degrees set squares against the T-square, the bottom here. I'm going to bring these up here. Some nice light pencil marks again with the 2H pencil. major, nice and light. Last one then. So then, next move then, I'm going to get me a slightly different pencil here. This one here is a B pencil, as you can see yourself, the B. So what do I need to heavy in then? So I need to heavy in this top green bit, the post box or phone box here. This green bit, I need to heavy in the outline of that. I need to heavy in this. I need to heavy in the window. The horizontal and vertical bars on the window there, I need to have it heavy in. So I'm going to do that now. And just see what I'm doing here. So I'm coming down 15. So the first heavy line is this one. So I'm going to go over again with this pencil and you'll see it automatically getting heavier. There it is there. Another one. Then there's two vertical ones. I'm going to get them out of the way now as well. Close off that one. So what I'm in then, I'm going to get the outline of the box. Vertical lines here again. On the bottom. You can see already now the way it's beginning to take a little bit of a different shape. So up top then I'm going to go up. This should take about roughly about 10 minutes when you get set up, you know. Should be handy enough. So I'll go here now. And I need to come in 5 and 15, 20 I need to come in, so just 5 and there's 15, so the vertical ones now. And then I'll just get these horizontal ones. So the T-square is against the side of the drawing board at all times and it's tight. I'm just sliding it with my left hand here, using the pencil in the right hand. Some people are left-handed, that's alright too, there's no problem. And you can go and use the right hand in with the T-square. So it's that much. Now I'm going to do the vertical lines. So to stand out a bit, you can see the difference in the pencil there now to make the lines stand out a bit more. So that's it now, that's the phone box finished. If you want to, you can add a bit of colour here as well. So just get a green colour pencil. This is the only real colour that's in it. There's a bit of shading too on the windows there. You can worry about that after yourself then. So I'm just going to shade this in here. Or colour in, green colour pencil. Just adds a bit of you know, kind of individuality to the drawing then as well. Brings it to life. So I'm just going to add this in. Now you can spend a little more time yourself when you're at it. This is only just a quick job here. So that's it. Thanks a lot. And we'll continue on then with the circles in the next class. Thanks.